Welcome to Data Science and Machine Learning program using Python, R and SAS. I am Saurav Karmakar from Hands-On System. I have 4 years of experience in applying machine learning and artificial intelligence. Myself and my co-instructors Rituparna and Konika will conduct the entire course. They have an experience of several years in data science and they are also renowned instructors in e-learning program. This course will give you a comprehensive knowledge on linear algebra, applied statistics, machine learning, R programming, SAS SQL and many more using the most popular languages like Python, R and SAS. Data science is gaining unprecedented traction in the job market. Popular data science methods used by a data scientist are logistic regression. Around 64% classification tasks are solved by this. Decision tree, in around 50% cases it has been used. Random forest, around 46%, and 36% tasks are solved by neural networks. Popular coding languages among data scientists are 76% of them use Python, 50% of them use R and 54% use SAS. Now, biggest barrier to the data science works are in 49% cases there are dirty or unstructured data. In around 42% cases there are lack of data science knowledge, and in 37% of cases lack of management, proper data strategy and lack of financial support. Highest education level attained by a data scientist. 42% of the data scientists employed in the current job market have master's degree, 32% have bachelor's degree and 16% have PhD or doctoral degree. Now, average salary of a senior data scientist in USA it is around $138,068. In Europe, it is around $85,247, and in Asia Pacific, it is $71,086. These are few information related to data science. I hope you now have an idea on huge prospect of a data scientist in today's as well as in future job market. We call the students to enroll in our course and try the preview if you want to explore further. So what are you waiting for? Enroll today. Thank you.